Hi friends, this is Akhil Reddy. Today I will teach you Selenium. So, if you want to work with the Selenium, first of all, we need to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. First of all, we will discuss about Selenium. What do you mean by Selenium? Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Okay, Selenium having four components. One is Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver and Selenium Grid. First of all, we will discuss about Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE. First, we will discuss about Selenium IDE. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. Selenium IDE is nothing but it is a integrated development environment. First, we will discuss about Selenium IDE definition. IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. IDE is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs this set of programs we need to configure or install into one user interface. So in the place of user interface we are using only IDE only. Why? Because IDE is a user interface, no need to install somewhere. In IDE, we have two advantages. First advantage is we have recording and playback facility. Second advantage is execution will be super fast. Whenever you are comparing with other tools, execution will be super fast. That is Selenium IDE. And Selenium IDE, we have some drawbacks also. That is disadvantages. One is we can work with only Firefox browser, and using this Selenium IDE we can perform very limited testing. That's why none of the people not using Selenium IDE nowadays. Selenium IDE is getting deprecated. Okay. Next, Selenium RC. RC means remote control. RC means remote control. This is also one of the component in Selenium. Yeah, RC is remote control. RC is nothing but same definition. RC is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. This set of programs we need to configure into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. Whenever you want to work with Selenium RC, we need to start the server manually and we need to stop the server manually. This is the one of the main drawback. That's why nowadays none of the people not using Selenium RC also. Selenium RC also getting deprecated. Okay. After that, they made Selenium WebDriver. They made Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is nothing but same definition. Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. This set of programs we need to configure into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse only. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. Sir, you said same definition for both RC and WebDriver. What is the main difference between RC and WebDriver? You are asking. So, whenever you are comparing with the Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver are having some powerful set of programs. That's why all the people they are using only Selenium WebDriver only. Okay, and using Selenium WebDriver also we can perform unlimited testing. Not limited testing, we can using Selenium WebDriver we can perform unlimited testing. That's why most of the people and most of the companies nowadays they are encouraging only Selenium WebDriver. Selenium IDE and Selenium RC getting deprecated. Okay, first we will discuss today how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. That is the basic class, very important class. So first, we will discuss how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. I will show you how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. First of all, First of all, we need to download Selenium WebDriver programs. Already, I had. This is the Selenium WebDriver programs you need to download from internet. It's very easy. So whenever you are downloading Selenium WebDriver, it will download nearly libs. We have couple of libs, and after that, separately we have separate two library files, Java files. So how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs in Eclipse? First of all, so first of all, just click on Eclipse, go to Eclipse, click on Eclipse icon. It will take only 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, Eclipse will open. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? First of all, we need to download Selenium WebDriver programs. After that, we need to configure. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? Just go to Project Explorer. If you want to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse, first of all, we need to create one project. We need to create one project. How to create project in Eclipse? Concentrate how to create project into Eclipse. Just Project Explorer, right click on it, take the new project, and taking project Java project. Click on next and giving a meaningful name Java project. So WebDriver programs. So and WebDriver WD1 and taking project name is WD1. Click on finish. Okay, after creating project, just right click on it. Just go to properties, Java build path, libraries. Click on add external jars. Choose the files where it is. We have on desktop. First, add these two files. Click on open. Once again, click on add external jars. We have these files. Click on open. Click on OK. This is the configuration of Selenium WebDriver into Eclipse. After that, after creating project, we can get one is SRC folder, second one is JRE folder. Just right click on SRC, directly we can take the class also. Directly we can take the class also. Directly I'm taking class. Whenever you are taking directly class, it will take in default package. It will take in default package. And taking class name is class 1. Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. So already we configured Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Now we can work with it. This is not Eclipse, this is Selenium WebDriver now. This is Selenium WebDriver. Already we discussed in Java only one sentence, that is class name, reference name equal to new class name. Class name, reference name equal to new class name we discussed. This is the basic one. After that we discussed another concept, interface concept. What is the interface concept? What is the interface concept? Interface name, interface name space reference name equal to new class name. Here Selenium WebDriver is a interface. Selenium WebDriver is a interface. Just to comment it. That is the only syntax. Comment it. And write the script. Interface is WebDriver. Reference name is as your wish. WD equal to new class name. In the place of class, I am taking browser. New Firefox driver. Class name, interface name, reference name equal to new class name. Okay. If you want to work with any site, just we need to write wd dot get. We are using get method. So I want to work with Gmail. So http gmail.com. Automatically Selenium WebDriver will open Gmail page. This is the basic class. So import the statements. Whenever you are writing WebDriver, WD should be cap and Firefox driver F and D should be cap. So import the statements Firefox driver. Whenever you are writing like this, so automatically it will show underline. So keep the cursor, import WebDriver org OpenQA Selenium and Firefox driver. Change to Firefox driver org OpenQA Selenium. Save, click on done. Automatically WebDriver will open Gmail page. This is the basic class how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse, how to work with Eclipse, how to work with the Selenium WebDriver. Yes, it's opened. This is the basic class. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye, friends.